So tell me about yourself. It's the very first question in almost every tech interview, and if you have zero professional experience, it's also the scariest. Your mind goes completely blank. You start thinking, what do I even say? I've never been paid to write code. Should I talk about my childhood, my university classes, my hobbies? Most fresh software engineers panic and just read their resume out loud. Huge mistake. The interviewer already has your resume. What they want to know is if you can actually code, how you solve problems, and if you'll fit into their team. Welcome back to CareerShule. Today, I'm giving you a foolproof 3-part framework to nail this question with absolute confidence. Even if your commercial experience is exactly zero, let's break it down. When you have no formal job history, you cannot rely on titles. You have to rely on structure. At CareerShule, we use the present, past, future framework. It keeps your answer under 90 seconds, structured, and entirely focused on what you can bring to the table. The present, who you are right now, your core stack and your current focus. The past, the specific projects, hackathons, or open source contributions that prove you can build things. This replaces your missing work experience. The future, why you are excited about this specific company and how it aligns with your career goals. Let's look at exactly what to say in each section so you can build your own script. Start with a strong, confident summary of your current technical skills. Don't call yourself an unemployed graduate. Define yourself by your stack. Instead of saying, I just graduated from university and I'm looking for a junior developer role, say this: I am a software engineer specializing in full-stack JavaScript development with a strong foundation in React, Node.js, and MongoDB. Recently, I've been focusing heavily on building scalable web applications and optimizing API performance. Boom! Within the first 15 seconds, the interviewer knows exactly what tools are in your toolkit. You sound like a professional who is already building. Now comes the hurdle. How do you talk about the past when you have no job history? Simple. Your projects are your experience. Pick one significant project you've built, whether it was for your final year, a hackathon, or a passionate side project. Use the STAR method to explain it. Here's an example. While I haven't worked in a corporate environment yet, I've spent the last 6 months building a real-time e-commerce analytics dashboard. I used React for the front end and integrated Socket.io on the back end to handle live data feeds. The biggest challenge was managing state efficiently when multiple metrics updated simultaneously, which I solved by restructuring our Redux store. It's currently live on GitHub with full documentation. Do you see what just happened? You didn't talk about a boss. You talked about technical challenges, architectural decisions, and state management. The final piece of the puzzle is tying your journey to their company. Why are you sitting in their interview room today? Never say, because I saw the job posting on LinkedIn and I need a job. Instead, connect your stack or interests. I've been following how your engineering team scaled your microservices architecture recently. Since my goal is to specialize in high-performance back-end systems, I'm excited to contribute as a junior software engineer and learn from your senior devs. This shows you did your research, you are intentional, and you aren't just spamming applications. Let's put it all together. Here is how your complete answer sounds. I am a software engineer specializing in full-stack JavaScript development, with a strong foundation in React and Node.js. While I'm looking to step into my first commercial role, I've spent the last few months building a task app. I handled the back-end architecture using Node and Express, focusing heavily on secure JWT authentication and optimizing database queries. I'm deeply interested in how your company handles collaborative tools at scale, and I'm eager to bring my problem-solving mindset and coding practices. Clean, professional, and zero fluff. It shifts the focus away from your lack of a corporate background and shines a massive spotlight on your capability. To make this completely seamless for you, I've written out a few different tell me about yourself fill-in-the-blank scripts for all developer roles. If you want a free copy of these script templates, just drop a comment down below saying interview and tell me what tech stack you are currently learning. If this video helped take away some of that interview anxiety, hit that like button and subscribe to CareerShule. Keep building, and I'll see you in the next class.